Hello class, today we will be learning about geometry and different angles like the right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. Also we will be learning about circles and what diameters are and radius, what a radius is. So let's get started. We'll start off with the right angle. So the right angle is a 90-degree angle. I'll draw it right here. You'll get practice time tomorrow to practice drawing these kind of angles, but I'll show you how right here. So with right angles, they're always 90 degrees. Always 90 degrees. They're never any other number. They're always 90 degrees. And usually with a right angle, when there is a right angle, they'll put also these two little lines here to kind of make a square here. So whenever you see that little square there, that's not an every angle, only in right angles. It's a right angle, it's a 90-degree angle. So no matter what, remember, right angles always 90 degrees. Next we have the acute angle, and the acute angle is always below 90 degrees. So 90 degrees would be like straight up, and the acute angle, let's say it's always below 90 degrees, which would be less than 90 degrees. So we usually put the less than sign and then 90 degrees. So let's say, for example, this particular angle might be 45 degrees. So if this angle, say, is 45 degrees, then that would make it an acute angle because 45 is less than 90. Okay? And the last angle I want to teach you guys is the obtuse angle. Now the obtuse angle is kind of the opposite of the acute angle. The obtuse angle is anything that's greater than 90 degrees. So we put the greater than sign, and then we put 90 degrees. So the obtuse angle over here is always greater than 90 degrees. Okay? So in this case, let's say this was a 135 degree angle. Okay? Well, if this is a 135 degree angle, 135 is greater than 90, it will for sure be an obtuse angle anytime. So just to recap, right, always 90 degrees, acute, always less than 90 degrees, and obtuse, always greater than 90 degrees. Just remember that. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you guys about the diameter and also the radius, but first we'll start with the diameter. So the diameter is the length all the way across the middle of a circle. So that is the diameter right there. So let's say this diameter, let's say across this circle it's, I don't know, 10 inches. So across this circle is 10 inches, which means that my radius will actually be only 5 inches, because the radius in this case is only halfway across the circle. The radius is just halfway across the circle, the diameter is all the way across the circle. So if the diameter is 10 inches, the radius will be half of that. Half of 10 inches is 5 inches. Pretty simple, but easy to forget. Always don't get them mixed up. Diameter is all the way across, radius is just halfway across. And it goes for the same if you go up and down the circle. Diameter is all the way up or across, all the way across the circle, and the radius is just halfway of that.